Hello children, I hope you all are fine and happy staying home. So children, again I am here with some other family words. Today we will know about IT and IN family words. So take out your English reader book and you have to open page number 3 to 32. Firstly we will start with IT family. So let's start with the phonic words. FIT fit, KIT kit, HIT hit, PIT pit and LIT lit. All these are phonic words. Sight words. BALL ball, INTO into, LAMP lamp, WILL will, HIM him, FIND find. All these are sight words. As I have already told you, sight words is a common term in reading that has variety of meanings. Now we will read this chapter. You also spell after me because it will help you in practicing of reading a chapter and you will be in habit of it. THE the, BOY boy, IS is, SO FIT fit. The boy is so fit. HE he, HAD had, a KIT kid. He had a kid. A BAT bat, AND and, BALL ball, WERE were, IN in, THE the KIT kit. A bat and ball were in the kit. So here you can see this boy. This boy is so fit and he had a kit. This is a kit. This boy had a kit. And a bat and ball were in this kit. A bat and ball were in the kit. Now we will read the another paragraph. HE he, HIT hit, THE the, BALL ball, WITH with, THE the, BAT bat. He hit the ball with the bat. THE the, BALL ball, FELL fell, INTO into, a PIT pit. The ball fell into a pit. THE the, LAMP lamp, WAS was, LIT lit, TO2, FIND find, THE the, BALL ball. The lamp was lit to find the ball. WHO who, WILL will, HELP help, HIM him, FIND find, THE the, BALL ball who will help him to find the ball. He hit the ball with the bat. Who hit the ball with the bat? The boy. The boy hit the ball with the bat. But the ball fell into a pit. Where did the ball fell? The ball fell into a pit. Pit means a large hole in the ground. Here you can see here is a hole and in this hole the ball fell. The lamp was lit to find the ball. So the lamp was lit to find the ball. Lit means provided with enough light or lighting. It means that the lamp was enough to with light or lightning to find the ball. Who will help him to find the ball? Now who will help him to find the ball? So children, you have noticed that in this chapter is the common thing is IT 8. The common thing is IT 8. The sounds comes is 8. That is about IT family words. Now we will know about IN family words. Now you have to open page number 3434. Phonic words. PIN pin, TIN tin, FIN fin, BIN bin. Sight words. HER her, WHERE where, LOOKED looked. These are sight words and these are phonic words. KIM Kim, LOOKED looked, FOR for, HER her, PIN pin. Kim looked for her pin. WHERE where, IS is, THE the, PIN pin. Where is the pin? THE the, PIN pin, IS is, IN in, THE the, TIN tin. The pin is in the tin. BUT but, WHERE where, IS is, THE the, TIN tin. But where is the tin? THE the, TIN tin, IS is, IN in, THE the, BIN bin. The tin is in the bin. WHO who, PUT put, THE the, TIN tin, IN in, THE the, BIN bin. Who put the tin in the bin? JIM Jim, PUT put, THE the, TIN tin, IN in, THE the, BIN bin. Jim put the tin in the bin. THE the, PIN pin, IS is, IN in, THE the, BIN bin. The pin is in the bin. THE the, TIN tin, AND and, FIN fin, ARER, INN, THE the, BIN bin. The tin and fin are in the bin. So, who looked for her pin? Kim. Kim looked for her pin. But where is the pin? The pin is in the tin. Here you can see it is a tin. And the pin is in this tin. But where is the tin? And where is the tin? The tin is in the bin. This is a bin. The tin is in this bin. Okay. And who put the tin in the bin? Jim. Jim put the tin in the bin. The pin is in the bin. So finally the pin is in the bin. The tin and fin are in the bin. The tin and fin are in the bin. So the common thing is INN. In this chapter the common thing is INN. Sounds comes is in. So that is about IT and IN family words. Now children, you have to do one thing. You have to read this chapter very carefully again and again, and you have to learn all the phonic words and sight words with their spellings. And also you have to complete the written work of this chapter, which is already uploaded in the Google Classroom. So complete the written work from the Google Classroom, and not only you have to complete the written work, you have to learn it also. So till then, take care. Have a great day.